Welcome back to my channel TechnoCat. This is Kedar Murdeshwar welcoming you, and let's have a look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty update today. Well, of course, it was a complete bearish day, and there were many fundamental reasons also. The India-China conflict at the border, and the fears during the market hours of the GDP going down drastically, and sadly and unfortunately, the fear proved to be true after the market the data was released, and you could see how the GDP has gone drastically. But let's have a technical look at this chart. Okay, these were the news which triggered the fall, and there may be many more news, but we will have a technical look. Can you observe this? Most of you must have observed this, but for the ones who are not observed this daily chart, just look at this. This is the daily chart and see what happened today. That's why I love technical analysis. This is the joining trend line, 1 point, 2 point, third point, it was just above it, and it went up. And look today, in spite of such a big red candle, you can see the range here 11,794 and 11,325. Look at that range, and the candle is taking a support here. Something the chart is telling you. Wait. I'm not telling you to buy or something. I'm just saying observe here. Okay. Now your question may be, as Shakespeare says, to be or not to be. Will this trend line be breached? And should I go short early in the morning tomorrow? Or will it take support? Well, a very tough question. So for that answer, let's go to the intraday charts. But this is clear to you. This is the level, and if at all this breaks down, God forbid, oh, these are the levels at the downside. So have a look at it. You can take a screenshot. You can note it down. If at all this is crossed, breached, and it closes above this. But what is going to happen tomorrow? Oh, let's have a look at the 60-minute chart of Nifty. Even on the 60-minute chart, if you see, there is a trend line. This is a different trend line. Here it has breached. It has breached. So it is showing a bearish pattern. It is showing a bearish pattern. I know the last candle is green, but my dear friends, that candle is still below the trend line. So now what we can interpret from the earlier daily chart, which I shown you here, it's taking a support here, and this intraday chart. Intraday chart is saying it is a bit of bearishness. So now look what I'm trying to say. If at all on the 60-minute chart in the first half an hour or 60 minutes, you can say if this particular trend line is not crossed, it is still falling down, you can expect the changes here also, and you may expect the daily close to come down below this trend line. So you have to watch both the time frames. Okay, and if at all you have a question, what if this trend line is closed? Okay, this candle crosses above this trend line and gives a close in the first 60 minutes. That comes under 11410. Nifty is 11387. If at all in the first 60 minutes it crosses above this level and closes above this, then you can expect a formation of a green candle above this line, which can say it's taking a support. So I have given you all scenarios on both the sides. Accordingly, keep your trade intact, right? This was about Nifty. Bank Nifty, oh, it has again fooled us somewhere. Just on Friday it has given a comfortable close about exponential 200-day moving average, and today it's again going down. So should we go short? Should we go really short? Because if that was the matter, you can see the previous candle, it did not work. So do you think this will work? Well, am I confusing you? So let's have a look at the 60-minute chart. On the 60-minute chart, you can see the last candle on Bank Nifty. It has made a bullish harami. And not only bullish harami, it has made a open is equal to low. Getting it? So it may happen, this can again go up. It may happen. But for this, you have to keep a watch on the 60-minute chart. So tomorrow if this low, which suppose it's 23,555, if this low is not bridged, you can expect on the daily chart also Nifty Bank may try to move up. But tomorrow, assuming what news had come today, Assuming that if tomorrow this bottom is breached and a candle closes above this, then yes, be ready for a downfall for Bank Nifty, and it will be reflected on your daily chart also. That's all from me today. If you understood and liked the video, do subscribe to my channel TechnoCAD.